Welcome to Featherlite Coaches, the home of yacht quality luxury for the open road. Today we're here to take a look at a 2010 double slide with a bath and a half floor plan. This is all in the Prevost H chassis, massive storage underneath. Extremely ergonomic cockpit. This will be an awesome place to explore the country. When you're not moving down the road, this incredibly large salon is going to be like a slice of heaven for you. Very contemporary look inside with an awesome custom composite ceiling. Recliner with desk area. Awesome power J booth. Across from that, you've got an incredibly well-equipped galley. Custom Corian countertops with a special edge design. Residential side-by-side door refrigerator. These light cabinets really open up the interior for massive living space. Stepping back from that, you're going to have your mid-coach half bath. And then you're going to move from there into the incredibly spacious king bed master suite. The Featherlite Super Slide just gives you an incredible amount of interior space. Storage galore, hanging locker next to your bed with drawers. More shelf space from there, more hanging space. There's even cabinets over top of the bed and a ceiling fan to keep the room cool in the evenings. Your stacked washer dryer lives towards the north end of your bedroom. And entering into the large master bath, you've got storage space and this incredibly gorgeous and large shower for evening cleanup. Contact us today to learn more about coach number 1187, the 2010 Featherlite Coaches Bath and a Half. Visit us at featherlitecoaches.com.